Big K16, big C5, top Maggie with the 6-pin, don't well catch and spit steel, rose gold, panda, drips, contract, kill free, gold like.
No, that did not see car key that. Make them see car key that. Come on, beat again.
Friday, Saturday, gun from my waist like every day. Sunday, Monday, Thursday, every day. Gun from my waist like every day. Yeah, I'm a favorite candidate, yeah.
Yeah, I'm rate them, man. Yo, respect my channel. Respect outside. Yeah, batch up. Yeah, see care them. I'm done with it. Yeah, man. You sorry about that, dog. You clean Saturday, you know? Oh, right. Your shoes, bro, God. Sorry about that. You know the thing, God. Man, look at the gram. You see it?
Yeah, man.
Got to see change in the brother.
Yeah, man.
Up top, G. You have Jay?
I don't ever want to know my family member them here. See my father side of family them over here, so I'm showing them. Them are migrate, you see me, so I can't to see them. But see them over there, so. Yeah, man, she drank Kwande, drank Quisha, yeah. More show you my bigger uncle, yeah. Uncle drank Ron that over there, so. I know where your head, man. See my mother there, my little brother right there, so. Yeah, my mother side of people them there. And my father side of people them there, so. I don't know. Me mix. Me a dog and Janko, so I don't have to wonder. Me a dog and Janko.
All your father good for suck pussy. That's all him good for. Him can't even get like lunch money for guys school. All him come over here for joke. No little money. But him have a next guest coming. Cause on the back run running here. Yeah. Yeah. Better tell him. Me need little lunch money. Your school shoes bust out.
Me not take nobody licks, remember that tell me come to school and no girl beat me and me come home she go beat me pants apart. So guess what? Me beat the girl instead of remember that beat me. Me not take nobody licks, me know who you talk to. Bright. Me not take don't call me mother. You can call her she go beat me. And I started. No, suspend who sir? Yeah, I'll joke man, me come out of this, you idiot. Me say a fool. Suspend who sir? Mommy, come up to school right now, cause them want to suspend me for fight with me now, cause they're too outside of this big. Sir, suspend me if you want to suspend me now, cause run to a going out the road. I know this is.
Give me some!
Yeah, sure, say how about your clothes? Alright, so tell me I'm left foot now? Yeah, man, I'm left foot right now. Alright, yeah, so that means I'm gonna reach half a tree one time. Alright, forward. Barbie girl in a Barbie world. You know? Yeah, I'm reach right there. Now I put a taxi down, I'm forward. Also, never tell yourself left foot set time as me, so reach set time. Yeah, brother, but the next 2 minutes reach, dog.
2 minutes later, Tarated.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Yo! Yeah, bad man, where you there? I'm there right around the corner.
Yeah, the phone I break up, I got you one tunnel.
Right round the bomber corner later.
Brother, at 85 minutes after the last AM, dog, where you there? I'm there, foot apart. Yo, big man thing, we just get tired away from the dog. So I'm just gonna go and go sleep. You know how long me there so away from you? Dog, you know someone there, fuck off.
So the vaccine reached Jamaica. Us Jamaicans have managed to do the most Jamaican thing possible. Vaccine reach and them teeth it. Me I hear say vaccine missing. Me I look out for see that vaccine they sell at town, you know. Just look out for vaccine I sell at downtown. Vaccine, sell out on the vaccine. Me I look out for the man who sell tonic start sell vaccine. You know me the tonic man, but me have the vaccine. Make a cramp and paralyze vaccine. Just watch out for the man who load taxi, start load vaccine. Pop in half a tray vaccine. Those one already, 2 and die, vaccine. And we all know how links run Jamaica. Cause me all here say people are supposed to get it yet, get it already. Oh, you're Mr. Andrew's daughter. Come on man, let me shut you up. Oh, you're Mr. Patrick's grandson. Come on in, sir. Me I wait for you them start sell fake vaccine. No brother, me have the real vaccine. Vietnam, my vaccine, say Virgin. You know see some China vaccine that. And most of all, me I wait for the party where I go keep named vaccine.
My parents them grow me as a clean-hearted youth, you know, so me always happy for people. But for the first in my life, I can't lift up my hand and say, I finally bad mind something. And not me alone, everybody bad mind that dog, yeah. People in my community all call me dish drain at the amount of time I go embassy and them turn me down and look on the dog in a snow. Who wanna feed the dog, I say to the dog get bossy, she can't call him so again. Who wanna say when she a call him, she have to go so. Mwah. Mwah. If I did one poodle make it out of the ghetto before me, to that bad and not so bad, but watch ya. Mongrel. But me I wonder which travel document him go upon, cause I can't visa. Me I wonder if them build a new document when him passport. I hope you're not ungrateful neither. I know why you go in a Walmart, go shopping and pack a barrel. If them not let you in a Walmart, just stop down at the flea market and heal up Scooby-Doo for me when you see him.
Big up beside chicken now? No. No. Remember you ever hear about y'all? I'm begging some of your biscuit and you never give me none of your biscuit. And look a piece of chicken I can't give me. Remember I come over your yard, I borrow your marble and you lend me your marble. Remember I come over your yard, I borrow your marble and you lend me your marble. Alright, I'm going to tell the grandma and say when she and auntie probably tell about a gate attack Sunday, they take out the 20 out of her purse. I'm going to tell grandma, hold this man, I don't take out enough to you know. Don't take that big piece there. I don't take out no big piece.
Now that you're gone, every day I go on, but life's just not the same. I'm so empty inside, and my tears I can't hide, but I'll try to face the pain.
Brother, go across the road and stop look like you. Kidding me now.
Madam, what go on? Me just rich. Roof, yeah, dog. Send down a barrel now. Yeah, man, my general, where barrel them there and put 2 dove in it. Me not attack the bird them. Me attack the foreign swap them. You know them very general. I put 2 gel in it. The bottom body weren't gel them. So me beat me slide up and dog. Me love them there now. Me don't want to be in the rain. Oh, me don't even love good yet and not talk about barrel. You think I work and travel program me depend? And visa me get some just wait everybody I go govern in me I go file phone you know. Yo, now hear me? Yeah, Rex, we are here, you we have to be general. Yo, you don't know see a beer flowered up on the ground and the tree them and with the right now that beer dumpling me have to eat for the rest of my life. Only thing them flower you cool. Yeah, I will stay to the Rex. When them call over Toronto, me there. Yo, mo show granny foot back. Me late to rotted. I wish for my class there. I wish for Jesus Christ, me late again. Me can't bother now. I wish for my class there. I hear so. I wish for my class there. So girl, how you buy for lunch? You go to canteen and you go buy cheese patty and cocoa bread. You can buy patty. Where you go buy? Where you buy for lunch? Where you buy for lunch? It's a black taxi now work, so we're gonna go with Biggs bus. Yeah. Biggs, you know the conductor ready eye? You want to call ready eye? Stop man, I'm so... Yes, I mean the ball day, and so what? And so what? Yes, cause when I call me sister girl, I want a problem. So I kinda have class now, I got class my reach early. Me just score 195 for my test and I'm disappointed in myself cause me didn't want. Hey Masha, good girl. Yeah, good my summer skirt sight to see. What?